Isn't that cool, Jason?
Yeah.
So Carsyn, tell me how this tusk thing works.
They grab on with their trunk and then they put it in their mouth. Water.
What do you think that is that he's eating?
Hay.
Jason?
Straw.
It's hay?
Yeah.
You think that's hay?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Hay.
Looks like straw.
Yeah,
It probably is hay. Look, they're putting water out.
Yeah. Why?
I don't know.
They're drinking! Elephants drink water.
Probably.
Yeah. No, they do. I know a lot.
Yeah, I know they do, but I'm trying to figure out why they would put it on the floor. Maybe they want them to roll around in it?
No, he gets up and...
Sometimes when it's really hot, they like to roll around in the mud so they can protect their skin
Yeah.
with the
I do
mud.
that every time.
You like to do that too?
Yeah, every night I do that.
Really?
Yeah.
You like to roll around in the mud, Jason?
I found a big elephant! Cool!
Alright, so what do you guys think about that? Turn around. Is it awesome, cool, or eh?
Awesome!
Alright.